Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Hey guys, welcome to day number 2 of my freebie advent calendar. We're gonna have a freebie a day throughout the month of December. So this one here, it's been designed from my #1 best-selling digital papers on my website, which is called Blue Butterflies. So this today I'm giving you this page here when you got loads of butterflies and blue flowers. Let me quickly show you the kit. Not gonna comment you page by page because otherwise we'll be here until tomorrow. But it's a very large kit. You've got embellishment, you've got envelopes, tabs, stamps, envelope again, another little tag, tags and pockets, more side pockets for your journals, a secretarial pockets and some embellishments, and 2 side pockets, a pillow box, some more butterflies. You get some 3D flowers that you guys can put together, and that is a bow as well, and as well as a flower. More flowers. You get another page with tags, side pocket, and some stumps. So it's a very large kit. You get backgrounds you can use as a pages, ephemera, all coordinate with every single page. It's all blue. You get 4 different card, well, they've been designed to be kind of like a cards background, but you can make like little notebooks. You can use them to make vintage cards. You can, you know, it's completely up to you guys. This page here, another page background, another 4 different backgrounds into one page, a more geometrical background. This is my favorite page. Look at that. It's literally a waterfall of beautiful butterflies and flowers. This one with the little birds, and this one here. So guys, that is it. Let me show you where to find the freebie, which is this one here. Let me show you where to find it on my Facebook. Hey guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December, you can use the code ADVENT, and I'll put here on the screen, ADVENT 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc, etc. I'm going to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.